Hey everyone, welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures. I'm Michael Rice, and today we have something truly incredible to share with you. If you're into RC drifting, you're going to love what we have in store. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. We bring you fresh RC content every week, so make sure to hit that notification bell. Since 1964, Team Associated has been a leader in competition racing, and their latest release is a testament to their innovation and expertise. Introducing the Team Associated DC10 Drift Car Kit, the ultimate RC drift car designed by the brilliant minds at Area 51. This 1/10 scale rear-wheel drive competition drift kit is a game changer in the world of RC drifting. What makes the DC10 so special? It all starts with balance. In RC drifting, vehicle balance is key, and the DC10 offers a plethora of suspension and chassis tuning options that allow you to set up the car with absolute precision. From camber, caster, and kingpin inclination to motor and battery positioning, this kit has it all. Check out these included features. Factory Team hard-anodized threaded aluminum shocks, 2.5mm carbon fiber drift chassis, carbon fiber shock towers, and 2 carbon fiber top plate options. That's just the beginning though. You also get blue anodized aluminum chassis posts, high and low motor mounting options, and a 6mm transmission height adjustment insert for a higher roll center and larger spur gear. With maximum steering throw, the DC10 offers optimal control when drifting through tight turns. You can make easy caster adjustments without tools, adjust battery placement, and tune your Ackerman plates and camber. It's all about giving you the best drifting experience possible. The DC10 is packed with precision rubber-sealed ball bearings throughout, an adjustable servo mount, a rear-mounted ESC plate, and adjustable rear anti-squat and toe-in. This kit is designed for those who demand the best in their RC drifting. Let's check out the specifications. The DC10 is an electric-powered on-road beast. It's a 1/10 scale kit with a wheelbase of 257mm and an internal gear ratio of 2.6 to 1. Keep in mind, this is a kit, so you'll need to assemble it yourself and provide your own electronics and motor. Here's what you'll need to complete this kit: a 540 size electric motor, a 2S LiPo battery with shorter dimensions, a radio-controlled battery charger, a 2-channel RC car surface transmitter and receiver, a steering servo, pinion gear, spray paint for the Lexan body, and a 1/10 scale wheels and tires. A drift steering gyro will also be a great addition to enhance your drifting precision. The Team Associated DC10 Drift Car Kit is priced at just under $300, and it's worth every penny for the performance and customization it offers. Whether you're a seasoned drifter or just getting into the hobby, this kit will take your RC drifting to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of RC drifting with the Team Associated DC10. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome RC content every week. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you've already tried the DC10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.